There are so many like senior high schools who also wants to pursue nursing, and we have different schools or universities here in Pangasinan that offers nursing. But what makes the LNU College of Nursing different from other schools?
Let's have a break from mental stress, physical stress, from duty, from the academic. So that's why I think for the last 3 years or 5 years, we're not going down 90%, something like that. So this means that even though you study here in Dagupan, if you pass the board exam one time only, it means you are equally good with that of the students taking up nursing in Manila or even
Simply Promise and you.
Hello everyone, you are welcome to Simply Promise and You. So today we are with our beloved Dean from the best college here in Dagupan and Pangasinan. So your usual host Promise, and this is
And as usual, I'm your co-host Maria. So we're here now with our very special guest, our beloved dean from College of Nursing here at Lyceum Northwestern University. So
yeah. So I would like our Dean to introduce herself and tell us what this week really entails, because we have a special event in our school this week. So we would like her to explain to us what this week is all about for.
Okay, good afternoon to everyone. So I am Dr. Judith Manuel, the Dean of the College of Nursing. And today is our special day, starting today up to tomorrow, because we are celebrating our Nurses Week. Actually, it's week, but we celebrate it only for 2 days. So this is important for the benefit of our students since you have been stressed in your academic. Okay, so that's why let's have a break from mental stress, physical stress, from duty, from the academic. So that's why we really planned for this. It should be done last February because of some glitches. It was not able to push through. So now we come into realization of the plans we had before. So now we are celebrating our Nurses Week. So this 2 day celebration actually is composed of many activities. So first, we have our different contests. So what are these contests? We have number one, we have our bulletin board contest. So levels 1 to 4 will compete with one another
Okay.
to present their idea, their creativity about the theme of the college, which will be reflected in the bulletin board. Okay? So we had panel of judges coming from the administration and of course myself uh, during the time of judging, which will be tomorrow. It will be held tomorrow. And then another contest is the photography contest. So what is it all about? This is all about students taking pictures of what the College of Nursing can offer to our students.
Okay.
So they are going to present the best of the College of Nursing through pictures. They are going to explain and expound on that. So this is also a way of promoting our college. Uh, are you proud of your college?
Yes, po, ma'am.
Okay. So anyway, you can tell about your college later on. So I'm telling you now the activities
Yes,
first,
yes,
okay?
yes.
So the other one will be the ward presentation. That will be done also tomorrow. And this is all about the students presenting the different ward because we have our simulation hospital on the fifth floor. So the students will be presenting the different ward, what, for example, medical ward, what should be expected to be seen in this particular ward. So a student will also explain about this. And so the best laboratory or the best ward will also have their prizes. Okay? And tomorrow we will have our Mr. and Miss Nursing. So as an international student, you won last time.
Yes,
So
Mr. International.
but you did not you did not participate now because you already had your title,
Yes,
right?
I want
Okay.
other students to shine.
Yeah, other students should shine also.
Yes.
Okay. So for tomorrow, we will have our Mr. and Miss Nursing. It will be done in the afternoon because for the first time, we will not do it in the gym,
Oh,
inside the
okay.
gym. We will do it outside because other schools are doing that. So why not? I said, why not use the ground so that everybody can participate? Do it in the afternoon since it's very hot during the daytime. So maybe it will start around 4 or 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay.
So, there are so many like senior high schools who also wants to pursue nursing, and we have different schools or universities here in Pangasinan that offers nursing. But what makes the LNU College of Nursing different from other schools?
I think, yes, we have lots of colleges of nursing here in Pangasinan, not only in
Yes.
Dagupan, okay? But I think what is unique in Lyceum College of Nursing is that we are not only good in theory. We see to it
Yes.
that the students are uh, well developed in terms of skills in the clinical area. So maybe in some schools they are good in theory, but when you try to check their ability to perform in the clinical area, they they do not excel. Okay, so they focus more on theory rather than the skills. So for us, we try to see that theory really is being practiced in the clinical area. And I think we have lots of students right now taking up nursing because of our board performance. For the last 5 years, we have been uh, on the higher, above the national percentage from, I think for the last 3 years or 5 years, we're not going down 90%, something like that. So this means that even though you study here in Dagupan, if you pass the board exam one time only, it means you are equally good with that of the students taking up nursing in Manila or
Okay.
even in other schools, right? You can
Yes.
compete with them.
Yes.
Okay, so that's it. So we do not actually market the college because the performance itself is already a way of marketing to encourage students to come over and enroll in Lyceum Northwestern University College of Nursing.
Thank you for your time. So you have heard it from our dean. So if you are hoping to enroll your child in the best college of nursing in Pangasinan, here you have it. It is Lyceum Northwestern University, and we have the best dean that is in charge of such important course.
So if you also want to enroll, guys, you can also check some of the informations from the Lyceum Northwestern University. So we have Facebook page also, so you can search it on Facebook. And we can also add the Facebook link of our university on the description box. So we hope, guys, that if you want to pursue nursing, please choose LNU.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.